Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn about the Spanish verb. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. You can also check out our new memberships. You only need to click on the join button down below. And you can also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, let's get it started. The verb that we're going to learn, or the Spanish word of the day, is obligar. Obligar. This is an irregular verb, which means that it has a particular or a peculiar conjugation. Okay, so obligar. Obligar. This means to force or to make, but it's more like to make someone do something. Okay, it's not like you are making a video or something like that, or you're making cupcakes. No, we're talking about forcing. Obligar. Obligar. Okay, we need to see a few examples to understand this Spanish verb a little more. Okay, the first example is: Mi mamá me obligó a ir a la escuela. Mi mamá me obligó a ir a la escuela. This means my mom forced me to go to school. So someone didn't want to go to school, but their mom made them to. So forced someone to go to school. Okay? We can see that the verb is right here, obligó, and it's conjugated in preterite tense. Okay, so it means forced. Mi mamá me obligó, remember the accent mark here, a ir a la escuela. My mom forced me to go to school. Okay, now let's see another example. No me obligues a guardar el secreto. No me obligues a guardar el secreto. This means don't make me keep it a secret. So, someone can't keep secrets. We can see the verb here, obligues, and in this situation, it means make. Don't make. No me obligues. Don't make me. That's what this means, okay? A guardar el secreto. Don't make me keep it a secret. So this phrase, it's similar. This phrase, it's similar to this, okay? No me obligues a guardar el secreto. Don't make me keep it a secret. Okay, now let's see another example. No está bien obligar a la gente a hacer cosas. No está bien obligar a la gente a hacer cosas. This means it's not okay to force people to do things. Obligar, to force or force in this situation. And obligar means to force in this situation. Now, let's see one more example. Mis amigos me obligaron a ir a la fiesta. Mis amigos me obligaron a ir a la fiesta. This means my friends made me go to the party. Once again, we can see that obligar or obligaron means made or to make someone do something. Okay? Mis amigos me obligaron a ir a la fiesta. My friends made me go to the party. Okay, so this person didn't want to go to a party, and somehow their friends said, you should go and we're gonna make you go. Okay, so that's pretty much what obligar means. So remember to practice this verb. It is a common one, so I suggest learning this Spanish verb for sure. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I think we understood what obligar means in Spanish. Obligar means to force or to make. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have more examples using this verb, please leave all of them in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any questions, just let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching. You can also subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. There are memberships on this channel. They're new, they're awesome. There are different perks when getting a membership. So I suggest you take a look. It only takes a second. Just click on the join button down below. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. If you don't want to know anything about memberships, you can donate to this channel on smlessons.com. Just click on donate, and also I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below. Thank you so much for all your support, for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.